Hey guys, welcome to Code Wrestling. In this video, we will let you know what are the things you must include in your resume so that there are less chances of your resume getting rejected. I know you guys have seen lots of YouTube videos by some of great analysts, people who have done jobs in Fortune 500, but if still you are watching this video, it means that your resume are getting rejected in initial stage of screening. Before moving directly to build resume, first let us understand the process of any organization for hiring any individual. A job opportunity will come in any organization when there is a requirement for expanding the business unit or there is a need for replacement. So the team will decide the budget and technical skills. They will forward all this to resource management team. Now it's their work to search for the right candidate who can be in budget and have the required technical skills. Now for resource management team, it's their work to search for the right candidate, but they usually keep budget and skills in mind. They want it to be done usually with less budget so that they can show their performance in their appraisal cycle. So let's understand what are the options available for resource management team to hire. They generally give the priority order for each job requirement, and based on that they start searching for the right candidate. So in front of them there is a big sea of candidate and it's their work to filter out people from this sea. But before filtering them, they need to showcase the job opportunity to lots of people. So now let us discuss what are the options for them to show the job posting. The first option for them is they will post this job opportunity internally. So if someone is looking for a change internally in organization, they will be on priority, and they also provided with the option to refer someone. If that person got selected by his referral, he will get some perks, and this perks generally goes to 50k and more in some cases. Now the next option for resource management team is to hire someone by posting job opportunity in the career page of that organization so that it will be visible to lots of people who are searching for the career in that organization. And if it is a big organization, then job portals like Naukri and LinkedIn usually scrap the details of this job listing and post it on their portal. If it's a small organization, then they have to post the job opportunity on these portals. The third option for resource management team is to ask third-party organization to find a perfect candidate for them. For that, they usually pay the third-party organization, which creates a database of people with skill based on the profile posted on LinkedIn and job portals, and they will provide this list of database to the organization, and they usually act as a mediator between an organization and a candidate. Now this is the process for just posting any job opportunity. It will consume time as well as money. What was your work? You just have to click apply on it and that's done from your side. Just think the efforts you are doing and the effort they are making, it's not getting matched. At least you have to make efforts in modifying your resume. If you have good connection, you can take the help from them. But now the point is, if you are not good in both, what to do and how to approach. Before going forward, at least you can like the video so the effort which we are making get the right content for you will not get waste, and we will get more motivation so that we can come up with more such videos. So let's first understand about the resume. So let us see the format for this resume. Can you guess the name of each format? If you can do it, I think you can skip the video and just click to start applying. But if you don't know, let us discuss about each of the format. This one is called reverse chronological resume, which format uses education and achievement on the top, and your job description should come next. And in job description, you have to start your job detail with the latest job first, and then you have to add the past jobs. This is the format you can use. If you want me to discuss more about this particular reverse chronological resume, then comment down reverse chronological. We will add a video about this also. The next format is functional resume. This was the format which uses profile and summary, and the job description should be the same which is present in reverse chronological resume. Now this format is called hybrid resume, where you can create two sections on your resume with skills and summary of your profile on one side and rest of the things on other side. Now you will get a question which is the best for you. If you have just started with your journey, I would suggest you to go with the first one, and if you are an experienced person, then you can start with the hybrid resume. Now let us focus more on the content of resume. So your resume must include this 7 section which contains header, summary, experience, skills, education and certification. Your header should look like this. Your name should be little big and it must include your job title and the profile you are interested in. After that, it's up to you to add your contact details, which include your contact number with proper country code, your official email address, which should not be fancy and includes a sequence number. It should be short and must be strict to your first and last name. After that, you can add your portfolio link, which can be your LinkedIn profile or your GitHub profile. If you want to work as a data scientist, you can add your Kaggle link also. If you are creating resume in a PDF format, remember to add a link. Whenever someone will hover on that link, they must be redirected to your profile instead of copy pasting the link from your resume to the web browser. Now you can jump to the summary section. It is the short description that summarize your whole resume, and at this point recruiter and hiring managers get the idea of whatever to proceed further or to reject the candidate. You have to summarize your years of experience, skills and education in an easy to read format. This summary section should not exceed 4 or 5 lines. Firstly, tell about the years of experience you have and what was your role in previous company. Secondly, you can mention about your primary technical skill, and the last thing, you can tell about your important certification which are relevant to that role. The format of this summary section will vary. Try to change this summary section based on the role you are applying in any organization. Do not stick just to a single summary. Try to optimize it with keywords essential for the role you are applying for. Now the next section is about the work experience. Just pause this video and read both the section now. As a recruiter, to whom you will give the preference first? I don't know about your preference order, but as a hiring manager, we will give preference to the second one. He has clearly mentioned about the numbers, and keep in mind whatever the work you are doing, if the number does not come into it, then it will be less effective in your work experience. Numbers matters a lot, and try to keep point exact with the relevant number. No one will ask you for the exact, but an overview should be there. And if you are a fresher, try to add projects which are relevant to the job role, and you also have to figure the working efficiency of your project, which is better. If you highlight the achievement of your project and try to add about your internship, if you have done this, it will provide more chances for your resume to get selected. Now coming towards the skill section, do not add randomly. Divide this section into 2 parts, where one can tell about your technical skills and the other can tell about soft skill. And based on the job role, try to change skills. Put only that skill which are relevant to the job role. The last section is about education and certification. If you are an experienced candidate, there is no need to include your basic schooling, because no one is interested from where you have done it and by what percentage you have passed. It's better to add only last education which you have done, and try to achieve at least one certification based on the role you are applying for with some reputed website like Coursera and Udemy. This will give boost to your resume. For fresher, as a fresher you should add all schooling details with all the certificates and awards. This will give a boost to your resume. Now if you have prepared your resume, how to apply for this? It's better first, before blindly applying for any role, try to create an Excel sheet. The first one include the company and the role. The next column should include the skills you have added in the resume. The next section of column will contain the contact details of person who are working in this company. Try to at least add 3 or 4 contacts and ask them for referral, which you can easily find on LinkedIn. And the last section should include about the response time. Whether you are rejected or your resume is selected, mention the date when you have applied and mention the date when the company has sent the rejection or acceptance mail. This will give you an idea about the usual response time by the organization based on roles and skills. At least do this for a month. Then once you have enough data, put your brain artificial intelligence why your resume is not getting selected. Once you can apply for more than 50 companies, you can send this Excel sheet to us and we will definitely help you. Don't worry, this is not a sponsored video. We are here to help you. Whatever it's about your project or your job, success matters and we can do it for you. For approaching your resume, try to build more contact on LinkedIn and try to connect with them and ask them for referral without hesitation. They will boost your opportunity of success. If you think this video deserves a like, then like it. We don't cry for subscriber, we have enough. But if this video adds value to your life and your resume, click on that red button and sharing this video provide you a contact. At least share this video so that we can come up with more such video which can add value in your life. Only one thing, the success matters, and whether it is small or big, it matters. Thanks for watching the video.